Here's a trap that catches even experienced developers. You write a clause that looks perfectly valid, but rows you expect to see mysteriously disappear. The culprit? Three-valued logic and how SQL handles nulls. Most programming languages use Boolean logic with true and false. But SQL adds a third value, null. When you compare anything to null, the result isn't true or false. It's null. Null and null equals 5. Null. And null not equals 5. Also null. Even null equals null returns null, because null represents missing or unknown data, so we can't know if two unknowns are the same. Here's where it gets tricky. A here clause only includes rows where the condition evaluates to true. If the condition evaluates to false, the row is excluded. That makes sense. But if the condition evaluates to unknown, that row is also excluded. So your here clause has a hidden filter. It silently drops any row that produces unknown, which happens whenever you compare against null. The solution is simple. Never use equals or not equals with nulls. Instead, use is null to test if a value is null or is not null to test if it's present. These operators return true or false, never unknown, so your filtering logic works as expected. Let's look at a real example. You have a status column and want all rows where status doesn't equal active. You write here status not equals active. This looks correct, but if status is null for some rows, those rows vanish from your results, because null not equals active evaluates to unknown. Similarly, not in with a null in the list can cause the entire query to return nothing. Be especially careful with and or. 999 trie gives trie, but 99 trie gives unknown. Remember, comparisons with null produce unknown, and where filters those out. Always use is null and is not null for null checks. Now go practice this on interviewmentor.ai. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.